That sort of books I read. And you better start with how I, Wise and Otherwise. You really like it.
Okay, next one. I mean, Mr. Gopi, you want to ask something? Gopi, please carry on.
So my name is Gopi, sir. I'm very glad to get you here, sir.
Yeah.
So, to become a software engineer, what we should do?
It's repeating,
I think it's already
uh,
over, gentlemen. Your beloved friend Venkata has also asked the same.
I think it's a repeated question actually, and I have already explained. In brief, you have to be strong in your communicating ability, and you should be very good at your one particular technology, which you are going to apply for.
I think Gopi has joined after completing his breakfast. In the meantime, the question is already over. Who is next? May I know?
Sir, shall I ask one more question, sir? Select authority.
Who is this? Please say your name. Who is that? Venkatar? Please mention your name and qualification.
Sir.
Hello?
Sir, my name is Abhishek. I am studying 9th class.
Yeah, Abhishek, I'm
Hello,
getting.
sir.
Go ahead.
Carry
You're
on.
studying 9th class.
How to get the money from YouTube, sir?
You need to start. You need to have some content, man. If you don't have content, basically you should have some views actually. And if you are strong enough in one particular area and start your YouTube channel, depending upon the views that you get, you'll get paid. And it's one handsome thing that you can think of. Some content, and you should have some audience who are interested into that. You got me?
Okay, friends. I mean, it's almost 11:30. We're getting late. So actually, guest is available with us only 11:10 or 11:15 only. Then still, if you have any one or two important questions, then will please ask. Otherwise, just we will close it. Just chance will be given to only 3 people. Last 3 questions, please utilize. Who is? Please say your name and qualification and continue. Next.
Sir, I am Usharani, sir. Sir, I am Usharani, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, just completed BTech completed students. Which sector do you suggest, sir? Either software or faculty, sir?
That's your interest, ma'am, again, because if you are willing more towards teaching and interacting with the people, an assistant professor, and there is always the other way. And if you want to provide solutions to complex problems that the industry has, and you want to earn in a better way, we cannot compare between assistant professor pay packet and a software engineers. It all depends on your how economically strong you are, and how you have more willingness towards serving the students. It all depends. So I cannot personally advise you, but you calculate taking a pen and paper, and what you really require in the life. Is it money? And most of the people, they come to software industry for the sake of earning more money. Even I went to the industry for 2 reasons: to provide complex solutions for what I have learned, and to earn money. So these were the 2 reasons I went into that. So it all depends on you. So I leave the decision to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, Mr. Nagaraj. Last 2 questions.
My name is Abhishek. I am studying 9th class. How to make the app, sir?
Mr. Abhi.
It's pretty simple actually. There are some online platforms where you can simply drag and drop, and they'll show some models, and they'll present some some better examples. This is how it looks and all, so that you can simply drag and drop, and so that you can create it. And otherwise, there are some technologies, I think, Android development technology, Android developer. They are called Android developers in the market, and there is a course for them to learn. You better learn it properly so that you can make your own app. It's pretty
And the
simple.
last question, friends. Who is
Thank you,
that?
sir.
Last one.
Yeah, hi.
I'm Ram. Please.
Who is this? Ram.
Sir, can I? Khyati.
Khyati? Okay, carry on.
Kathy will be
Sir,
here.
from your childhood, you have the reading of textbooks and notebooks and storybooks,
I-
or you got the habit now only.
Kathy, I can't lie you actually. No, you don't believe me if I say that. It's only after coming to Apex I learned the difference between has and have. You don't believe me if I say that. You will laugh at me. So I was thinking has and have both are like sisters. In the place of has, have can be used. In the place of have, has can be used. They are like sisters, and so I was using them like anything. And I exactly don't remember whether it was Ravikant sir or Vani madam. They took me to a personal room and they explained me, hey man, there is a difference. You are using it without any difference. There is a difference. And these are the examples. So I understood. Oh my God, great. So I learned like that. And after the 3-month course only, I got the habit of reading books inculcated. And I was, not letting it go anyway at any point of time. I'm making some good contact with the language by listening, by watching, by reading. So that keeps you good at speaking the language.
Okay, friends. Then shall we close the program? It seems anybody wants to ask any. I mean, if anybody feels disappointed that because of not giving chance, then I feel hurt again. So, is there anybody?
Just shall I ask last question, sir, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, I am Ram Lakshmi, sir. Last question, sir, please. Please don't mind, sir. Sir,
Okay.
in
Yeah,
future
I'll
course
never mind.
time, would you like to support hardware instead of software, sir?
Again, these are all interest related questions you're asking me again. But as a software engineer, I like to develop softwares. Because from the beginning I have initially when I was in MCA I made my mind very strongly that I should be into the softwares, developing them, enhancing them, modifying them, and creating new codes, embedding a piece of codes, analyzing performance. So these are the things I got interested. So that drove me until here. And if you are really interested towards hardware, there are plenty of opportunities, and you should analyze before getting your foot onto that. Right?
Nice,
But
friends.
software has many more opportunities in comparison with hardware. I'm not belittling the hardware side, but opportunities wise, they have enormous software side. You take your decision.
Okay, friends. Then with this, would like to conclude. I'm so happy to see you asking so many questions. Good.
Yeah,
And
surprised actually. I did not expect these many questions from a 6th class, 10th class, students. They were asking very big questions actually.
So here
Nice,
you have the
nice
range of
your
students
response.
students range from 6th class to MTech.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, surprised.
Nice, gentlemen.
No, actually, I was expecting that sort of questions from an MTech, but I got them from 10th class
Oh,
students.
nice,
So
gentlemen.
surprised.
Nice, Nagarajan. And
Yeah, nice, sir.
I feel so happy to spend your time with you, Nagaraju. And my students, they are so much get benefited, and surely they will improve their way of reading books and developing their communication skills. And particularly those who want to become. Sure. So here, Siddhartha, just you can make your video visible, no problem. Siddharth, please. He wants to
Hi,
make his
sir.
video visible.
Yeah, hi.
Siddharth, you can make your video visible, no problem. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Then we will talk later, Siddharth. Then here,
Hey, Siddharth. How are you, man? What are you doing, man?
nice.
I was so keen. I was so keen.
I think you've been all over, I think.
Right from